everyone, today I will be doing a construction update on Batman the Ride, coming to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in 2019. So let's get started. So as you can see here, track has already started to arrive for Batman the Ride, and I can't wait for them to start vertical construction on this, and yeah. Okay, so that video that just played showed only the crane taking one piece of track off of the pile of delivery track, so I'm assuming that the pieces of track are all on the parking lot right now, and so they're gonna be able to start vertical construction soon, and I am so excited for this moment because I'm so excited for this coaster. Yes, I know it's an SNS 40 free spin clone, but I'm still excited for it because those things look so cool. And so anyways, that wraps up this construction update of Batman the Ride coming to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom this year. And I'm so excited for this coaster because, well, normally I wouldn't be excited about an SNS 40 free spin clone because, like, I know they look cool like I just said, but they keep popping up all over the place. And so yeah, normally I wouldn't be excited about an SNS 40 free spin clone, but I'm excited about this one since it's coming to my most anticipated park in the world, Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. And I've always been wanting to go to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom since August of 2018. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to go there for so long then. And so anyways, that wraps up this construction update of Batman the Ride, my first ever one. Reply to me your thoughts on this video, how excited you are for Batman the Ride, if you even are excited for it. I mean, like I said multiple times, it's just an SNS 40 free spin clone, and I will see you in the next.